Hello, my name is Talil Abrhiem. I'm running for Macomb County Commissioner District 5, Northern Sterling Heights at Macomb County, Michigan. My background in business and entrepreneurs. I have a master's degree through Central Michigan University in organization management, and also I have a PhD in organization management and technology in a human resources concentration from Capella University. I believe that the county, Macomb County, need a business person with a new idea to do the change through the county. Because we have a wonderful county with all the entrepreneurs, all the manufacturers, all the diversity with all the kind of the ethnicity. Always I think about the golden rules. What is it and how and why? County commissioners, his responsibility is about economic growth for the county, about all the businesses, expanding business, county budgets, quality road, maintaining the road, buying locally. And how I'm going to do it? I will always strategy and believe from the transferring all the kind of knowledge and innovation to the people to build this county. I'm a good listener, so I know what it takes from the resident from the county, what their concern. So we can take this kind of information from them, try to create a good strategy, transform this strategy, and implement it. That's the main thing. And why I'm doing it? I'm doing it because I care about the county. I've been living in this county over 35 years, and I know what it needs to maintain this county and take it to the next level from the quality of life. Thank you for listening for this video, and always you can follow me at Talil Abrhiem for Macomb County Commissioners through my Facebook. And thanks again.